Ngatho cia mwanya muno ni undu wa gucoka ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega indi Nderitu nionekana kuhura ndeto mukonde ati nima she is a good wife ona angikorwo ndanakorwo agikinya event iria kuratwika iratafanirio ni undu wa inspiration yake ya kuonania ati nima she is a good wife na tutanatenderithia ndeto ici makiria ici ciakorwo ikihanika over the weekend njitikiria gucokeria ngatho cia mwanya muno ni undu wa guthie na mbere kutwarana na ithwe. A lot has happened over the weekend and one particular event niyo yatiga andu makienda kumenya mo kuona ihutitie andu mari ngumo nene ta Eddie Nderitu na vile Karagwa Muraya ona dama wa mobile and auto spares niyo makihutitio ni ndeto ino ikigie igongona rirakorirwo rikiharirio ni Wairimu Kimani. Good Wives meeting nirakorirwo igitafanio na kuringana na miario ya muhaririria wa meeting iyo Wairimu Kimani. All this particular Good Wife meeting irakorirwo iri inspired by Eddie Nderitu kuona maria mothe aragikorirwo akihitukira ta Good Wife marakorirwo mari maundu very public ona gukiri o uguo muhaririria uyu wa event ino ni agikorwo agitindikwo muno na atonyo miario mingi muno kuona uria event iyo iragikorirwo igitafanio kuri na aria marakigegirio ni njira iyo kuona kuri andu aria maragikorirwo magikinyia maratwika tima Good Wife na makoretwo magicause drama muno guku social media despite Wairimu kuga Eddie Nderitu ni urakorirwo aki-inspire event yo gukorwo igitafanio na gukorwo igithie na mbere. Eddie did not attend the event but ni akorirwo aki-recognize the event happening on her social media pages kuria gukoretwo akira andu ma make sure ati ni makorwo magikinyia niguo megune na event iyo.
Yeah, she united us with one slogan, nothing but prayer. Amen? Nothing but prayer. And I remember I promoted her. I made her the Good Wives chair. And then I promoted myself into an assistant, a vice Good Wives. Vice chair. Amen? There was no election. There was no by-election. There was no nomination. There was nothing. Amen? Unajua hii maisha ni kujituma. Hii maisha